E di kilalanin natin.
Hello. Hi, I'm Andrea. You can call me Drea, and I am the director of this film and also the editor for the overall film.
Hi, ako po si Vince and ang role ko po dito is actor. But pag hindi ako actor, ako ay hair and makeup artist, hamwa. And like, basta kung anong matutunan sa prod. Ang name ng character ko is Angelo Reyes, but they call me Angel.
Hi po, I'm Aya and my role is as a producer, and during shoot, I'm an audio operator.
I'm Jem, and I play Trisha.
Hi, my name is Jasmine, and my role here is an actor and a camera operator.
Marvin. I'm the actor for Marco, and I'm also the gaffer. So that means I handle lights and stuff, but usually I just help out when I can.
Hi, I'm Athena Dasing and I'm the director of photography.
I'm Nika. I play Amira or Annie.
Hello, I'm Arrington, and basically, my role is a production assistant.
Hello po, ako si Francesca Beatriz Villalegre and ako po ang assistant director ng film na to.
Hi, I'm Isabel Rosales Aguila. You can call me Isa. I'm in charge of production design, so basically I'm in charge of figuring out the wardrobe, the makeup, and the set design of the shoot.
Hello po, ako po si Maling Patugon. Dati po ako scriptwriter pero graduate na ako doon. Ngayon, namuruta ko siya production assistant. Kasi yung promotion ko may boss pa rin ako. Yun po si Erin Tanto, brother.
Hello, my name is Jan Nicolai, and my role for this film, Playback, is as gaffer and as the production manager.
Siguro si Annie. Si Annie. I play Annie. Kasi gusto ko yung confrontation scene nila ni Trish. And like, yung scene na yun, ang mabigat siya eh. And like, yung revelation ni Ami, backstory ni Ami. I wrote Ami as a complex character na may inner hinanakit, kung gano'n, na hindi niya basta-basta nilalabas sa mga tao. And somehow I could relate to Ami sa mga inner struggles niya as a person. And yeah, yung like total breakdown niya sa isang scene is really gusto ko siyang like knock out.
Parang ano lang, mas double character niya in terms of yung sa workload and pagiging focus sa task. Pero, hindi ko gusto yung ano niya, naging ending niya.
I'd rather be Angel the most because I like baddie characters. Yung mga ganun. And also, siya yung namatay ng una. So, ibig sabihin nun, siya yung pinaka-strongest, kaya na-nerf siya agad. So, yun yung ano. Yeah. Siya yung favorite character ko. And also, I like the way, she's feisty. Yeah. Fight tayo, fight.
Gusto ko maging si Bianca kasi ang fun ng mga nababaliw na character. Like, para sa akin, napaka-interesting nila.
Na-enjoy ko lang yung mga scenes niya kasi I feel like yung mga scenes niya yung pinaka-interesting to act kasi talagang nag-let loose talaga siya.
Kasi maliw na ako eh, so like, I wanna be even more of that in real life. Pero, and yun nga, interesting yung character niya sa akin. Kasi sa simula parang napaka-happy niya. Ang happy niya pag kasama niya yung mga teammates niya and stuff. Pero pagdating dun sa moment na nagkandalo-ulo na lahat, parang, ayun, like, sira yung mental niya. So, sabihin nun parang from the start, hindi na ganun kalakas yung mental niya, which is very interesting to me.
Jen Bianca, please and
Bianca.
It was so much fun. I've never learned how to cry or scream like that. I've never tried screaming so loud. And when I tried to scream, parang, anong tawag doon? Like, nililet out ko lahat ng feelings ko sa scream na yun. Because, everything I kept in, I can finally release it. Screaming is fun.
It's really so fun. And about her personality, parang nare-relate ako sa kanya. Like, minsan magiging nervous ako, magiging shy ako, ganun. And I like that she's very fashionable. Kasi minsan di ako masyadong fashionable. I don't have a sense of style minsan. And I love that. I thank you, Isa, for the clothes. I love her clothes. Galing ng kay Isa yun. Yeah, overall, I love acting her. I love the feeling of Bianca. I love her nervousness. I love her insaneness. Yun lang. I love it. So fun. Acting so fun.